In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a fuel pressure regulator on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on the top of the fuel rail. Let's get started. We're going to put a rag under our fuel pressure regulator hose, just in case any fuel comes out. We've already bled the system. Take a pair of pliers, squeeze the clamp, pull it down on the hose. We're going to pull this hose straight off. I'm going to put a rag over the top just in case. Pulling straight back, removing that hose. Remove the top hose. We're going to twist it with a pair of pliers, get it loose. Pull the hose straight off. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts. I'm going to leave my rag under there just in case any fuel comes out once we pull this off. Remove the 2 bolts. Pull straight up. This is held in with 1 O-ring. You can wiggle it side to side, you just don't want to like really rock it. Remove the fuel pressure regulator. We did have a little bit of fuel come out. Install the fuel pressure regulator. Push straight down. Get it fully bottomed out. Install the 2 bolts. Get these started by hand. Snug the bolts down. We're going to come back and torque those in a second. We're going to install the fuel hoses on the bottom. Pinch that clamp, pull it up. Install that top hose. Make sure it's fully bottomed out on that fitting. I'm going to take my rag away. Torque the bolts to 78 inch-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.